Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zendesk reporting issues, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Zendesk account and go to the reporting section. Identify the specific reporting issue you are facing. Check for any filters applied to your reports. Remove or adjust the filters to see if it resolves the issue. Review your data sources to ensure they are configured correctly. Make sure that the correct date range is selected for your reports. If using custom fields, verify that they are populated with the correct data. Inspect any custom metrics or calculations for errors. Consider whether recent changes to your account may have affected the reporting. Access the Zendesk Help Center for troubleshooting documentation. Consult relevant community forums for similar issues and solutions. Try creating a new report to see if the problem persists. If necessary, run a test report to confirm your data integrity. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh the page. Log out and back into your Zendesk account to reset your session. If issues continue, check for any scheduled maintenance notifications from Zendesk. You may need to upgrade your account if certain features are missing. For persistent problems, reach out to Zendesk support for assistance. Provide them with screenshots and a detailed description of the issue. Follow any instructions they provide to resolve the problem. Finally, review your reports again to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.